Hi mga kaanyong, today's video manonood tayo ng fan meet ni Ann Boyon dito sa New Frontier Theater. Currently, nasa claiming area tayo ng fan benefits. Syempre, una natin kukuhanin ang ating strap for the group photo. And then, kukunin din natin ang banner and yung fan. So ngayon, papasok na tayo sa venue mga kaanyong. So excited! Okay, so yan mga kaanyong. Pagpasok sa venue, syempre another pila na naman mga kaanyong para sa mismong tier section natin. Ayan, so i-check muna yung ating ticket. Pagpasok namin sa loob mga kaanyong, I don't have any idea na group photo pala yung mauuna. So ayan mga kaanyong, dahil syempre group photo, pinagbawal ang mag-cellphone or mag-video during the photo session. Sinubukan ko nga pala itong getting to know more about Ann Boyon. Sasagutan mo yung possible na isagot ni Ann Boyon sa question about himself. Pero syempre wala siyang prize. Wala lang. It's just a game. So far, ito yung crowd sa lobby area kasi diamond section pa lang yung pinapapasok nila. Medyo konti pa. Or yung iba yata kasi nasa loob pa rin sa photo session. Ayan, pumasok na kami sa loob kasi tapos na kami ng picture-picture sa may lobby area. Medyo marami-rami na rin tao bago mag-start yung event. Ang opening number nga pala ni Ann Boyon ay kinanta niya yung theme song ng 81 Class na Start Over by Gahon.
Thank you. Someone catch his breath a little bit because we need to catch the breath after that amazing performance as well. Song number. Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be here with you tonight. I'm your host for the 2024 Ann Boyon Asia Tour fan meeting. Hello in Manila. Thank you so much. Would you like to say hi to your
After nga ng opening song ni Ann Boyon ay nagsalita ito ng ilang Tagalog words.
Mabuhay! Ako po si Ann Boyon. So this is the one that I prepared. Make sure to practice more, okay?
Let's give them a round of applause. That was adorable. We love hearing you speak in Tagalog. We're so happy you're here. How do you feel about seeing your Manila Pushigagis in person today?
아니 짓궂은 날씨에도 이렇게 많은 분들이 나와주셔서 정말 여행보다 어떤 마닐라에 오게 되었는데 너무 감회가 새롭고 정말 와주셔서 진심으로 감사하다는 말씀을 드리고 싶습니다.
Though it's a bad weather today, I'm very happy that a lot of you guys actually came here. I'm so good that it's not an occasion, but I came here for a fan meeting. Thank you so much, guys.
Bad weather is not going to stop us from showing him some love, right? So again, we're so happy you're here. I hope you take home a lot of love from your Manila fans, and I know that you prepared a lot to repay that love to your fans. So why don't we sit down? We can get the show started with a little chit-chat. We have a lot of segments that we have prepared for the Manila leg of your fan meeting. We're going to get to these The first segment is something we like to call Bostagram. Love the title. Okay, so this is a segment where Anboyan shares moments that he's been capturing, while he has been preparing for this Asia fan meeting tour. He wants to share them with you. Let's see the kind of photos we're going to be seeing. We're all following you on Instagram, right? Of course, we're all following. All right, shall we take a look at the first photo together?
재벌 행사 촬영 도중에 이렇게 보셨던 분은 아실 수도 있겠지만 차를 가지고 이제 좀 강력팀을 겁주는 좀 까불까불거리는 그런 장면 중 하나입니다.
So this scene is from the Flex X Cups, where Jisoo is actually driving a luxury car and being a little bit naughty while he's driving.
If you're a fan of the Flex X Cup, let me hear some noise. You saw these pieces and stuff like that. How did it feel though to live this life of a chaebol? I mean temporarily, but how did that feel?
한 6개월 정도 재벌로 살아봤는데 굉장히 행복했고 역시 돈이 좋더라고요.
I lived a life of a rich for 6 months, and I felt like, being rich is really nice and money is good.
Yeah. Very honest answer. I love that. But you're rich in love. Your fans here. Okay, but
baka may sumigaw na naman ng Blackpink dyan, ah.
If you had to choose between living the life of a chaebol Jisoo or an ordinary person like cool, which life would you prefer?
둘 다 정말 제가 좋아하는 알라이키 캐릭터인데 그래도 마지막에 촬영을 했던 재벌 행사의 지니수가 아닐까.
Yes, actually, those are my favorite characters, but if I will have to choose, I think I'll go with the Flex X Cup Jisoo.
Who chose Jisoo?
Hindi pa siya nakatelefoto nga pala hanggang 4. 5 ang start ng telefoto.
Can you share a favorite drive?
Hindi ko rin naanong sa ulo yan. ito kasi lagi kong ginagamit.
가장 추억 드라이브 제가 월드카를 타고 다니는데 그거 말고 사실 오픈카를 처음 타봤어요. 드라마에서 경험을 해봤는데 근데 저게 너무 재미있을까? 허세 아닐까라는 생각을 했었는데 막상 타보니까 굉장히 좋았습니다.
You know, I have my old car that I drive, but due to the drama that I'm filming, I tried riding an open car. But before riding, my thought was like, is that just like boasting? Is that gonna be like boring? But after I tried, I found it really fun, and I really got happy driving the open car.
Oh my, we love it when you're happy. What about places that you like to drive to, or music that you like to listen to while you're driving? Some of your favorites.
장소는 아무래도
Oy, Blackpink. Oy, may sumigaw ng ganyan na nung kay Jonghae. Pero Blackpink, Jisoo man.
Dead ma lang.
Sa taas pa nang galing
Yeah, of course, the place that I prefer is of course the seaside, and also while driving alone, I love to listen to the OG songs in Korea, and one of the songs could be like SG Wanna Be's My Person, and I think.
Okay, yes, we know that you're from a beach town and we hope that you're feeling at home here and dream namin yan na makadrive ka. Being in the same car as you are driving. One can dream, right? Okay, so let's move on to our next picture, please. Let's take a look at this one. What's happening here? What's about this?
저것도 이 사진도 제작사 촬영 중 하나인데 마지막 회였던 거 같고요. 그리고 얼굴이 피떡이 되기 전에 형한테 총을 겨누고 있는 사진이에요.
So of course, this picture.
Okay, while you were shooting Flex X Cup, what was maybe the most common thing that you heard, like the most frequent comment maybe that you got?
아무래도 지니수라는 말을 가장 많이 듣긴 했었는데 현장에서 저희끼리 하는 얘기 중 캐릭터 따라간다고 형 이제 정말 이슈 같아요 이런 말을 굉장히 많이 들었던 것 같아요.
I think the word that I most heard is, of course, Jimmy Soo, the word. But of course, while filming, I actually heard from my friends, you know, I think your personality is getting more like Jimmy Soo.
That's a good thing, right? It's a compliment, right? You like your personality. Round of applause if you like your personality. I'm very curious though, you know, like as an actor, do you have a secret to memorizing your lines? Maybe your own, like, pro tip or something?
그냥 저는 다른 방법보다는 계속 보는 편이고, 그다음에 정말 안 외워지는 대본들은 좀 알람 시간을 맞춰놓고 좀 자고 일어나면 외워져요. 신기하게. 그래서 그런 식으로 좀 숙제를 많이 하려고 하는 편입니다.
You know, I do not have any specific method of it, but I keep staring at it. And you know, if there's a part of a script that I cannot really memorize, I just sleep for some time, I put an alarm, and when I wake up, you know, those kind of scripts actually came into my mind. So those kind of things are efforts that I actually enter.
Sabi script naman ako. Let's talk about your character, Jimmy Soo, right? As you were fleshing out this character, what were the things that were important to you? Or like, what were you focusing on?
이슈가 아무래도 재벌이다 보니까 많은 분들이 보실 때 조금은 재수가 없다라고 느끼실 수도 있는데 그런 부분에서 믿지 않은 행동을 사랑받게끔 느낄 수 있게끔 하려고 노력을 많이 했습니다.
So, because Isu is actually a very rich guy, you know, there might be other opinions from people, from the press, that he might be a bad ex or something. So, I actually exerted a lot of effort to give a good image and for his behaviors to
Lagi siyang kaliwa center lang.
And to impress the presses.
Lovely, yes. Agree, lovely. You're a very diverse actor. You've done many different characters in different genres. Are there still maybe characters that you still want to challenge yourself to play?
제가 지금까지 장르를 제외하고 해외 촬영을 한 번도 안 해봤어요. 그래서 해외 촬영 한번 해보고 싶고요. 그다음에 장르적인 부분에서는 아직까지 많이 못한 장르들이 많기 때문에 시대극도 한번 해보고 싶고 그리고 악역도 제대로 한번 해보고 싶습니다.
You know, aside from the genres, I have actually never shooted outside or abroad my country, so I want to try that out. And when it comes to genres, you know, I want to try like historical ones or something that's very, very evil.
Yeah. Oh, an overseas shoot. I mean, the Philippines is always open. I love that. Looking forward to it. Yes. All right, let's move on to our next photo. Let's take a look at this. Oh, I like you with glasses. That's a nice look too. Tell us about this photo.
저 사진은 저희 재벌 촬영 중이었고 크리스마스에도 저희가 촬영을 했었어요. 그래서 일상복이고 이제 숙소로 이동하면서 트리가 보이길래 저는 이제 눈이 안 좋았었기 때문에 안경을 끼거든요. 저 때는 제가 라식 수술을 하기 전이었던 것 같은데 그걸 이쁘게 저희 스텝 친구가 찍어준 사진입니다.
So this photo is after the filming of Flags X Cops, and you know during the Christmas we still shooted our drama. And right after the shooting, I was actually on my way back home, and there was a beautiful Christmas tree. And at that time, my eyesight was not really good because it was before my LASIK operation. You know, so one of the staff actually took a very good picture of me.
Yung nakataas yung braso natin, heart. Nag-compile ng heart para nakita.
Christmas tree. Do you like winter? Is that a season that you like?
겨울을 좋아하긴 하는데요. 이상하게 겨울이 되면 여름이 기다려지고 또 여름 되면 너무 더우니까 또 겨울을 좀 기다려지게 되는 것 같은데 저는 바다를 좋아해서 그런지 그래도 겨울보다는 여름이 좋은 것 같아요.
Yes, I do love winter, and whenever winter comes, I kind of misses summer, and when summer comes, I kind of wait for the winter to come. But I guess, you know, because I do love seaside, I guess I would say that I prefer summer more.
Ay, perfect ka talaga in the Philippines. We got it all for you. No, we got it.
We got it over you.
I think maybe sometimes we wonder about winter, we want to experience it, but of course, most of all, we want to know what do you like to do during the winter? What do you enjoy about it?
한국에 저는 사실 부산이라는 지방에 살았기 때문에 눈을 자주 보지 못했는데 이제 한국에 한국에 서울에 올라오게 되면서 눈을 보게 되니까 너무 좋더라고요. 눈 올 때 괜히 밖에 나가게 되고 한강에 나가게 되고 그리고 야외에서 이상하게 술 한잔 하면서 좀 걷고 싶고 그런 것들이 좀 한국의 매력이라기보다 제가 겨울에 눈이 왔을 때 느끼는 한국의 겨울의 매력인 것 같아요.
You know, because I live in a Busan province, it does not really snow there much. You know, so when I actually went up to Seoul, I experienced my first snow there, and I was able to experience a lot of snows there. And during that time, it made me like, for more emotional where I would like to go out and go to the Han River and have a walk after drinking. Those kind of moods are actually making me to enjoy the winter more, and it's one of the charming points of winter.
Okay, yes. You, winter charming, absolutely agree.
Hindi tayo makita eh. Nasisilaw siya.
You're holding a tumbler, right? So, obviously you care for the environment. Do you have maybe top 3 things that Anbohyeon does to care for the environment?
일단 제가 캠핑을 좋아하는데 캠핑을 가면 쓰레기를 주변에 제가 쓰지 않은 것도 좀 챙겨오려고 합니다.
쓰레기, yun lang naintindihan ko.
So first thing, whenever I go camping, because there are a lot of trashes, right? And also I take those trashes that are not mine because I take care of the environment.
Save the planet.
주문 배달을 해서 음식을 많이 먹는 편인데 집이면 이왕이면 나무젓가락이나 일회용품을 쓰지 않으려고 합니다.
And I order deliveries a lot to my place, and whenever the food comes in, I do not use those kind of disposable chopsticks made in wood.
그리고 텀블러.
And lastly, the tumbler.
These are the pro tips of Anbohyeon caring for the environment. We only saw 3 photos, but we feel like we shared so much of your life and your stories behind these pictures. Thank you so much for sharing those. Do you have more questions for Anbohyeon?
Alam mo yun, may ano siya sa mga ano.
I hope you do, because we have prepared another segment for all of you who will surely have to
ma-respect siya sa fans, tsaka mabilis siya yung pacing niya.
We prepared our very own awards this time, and it's something called the Boss Awards. Boss Awards is a segment where we vote on topics related to Boyan, and then we're going to reveal the truth after a little chit-chat. You all voted on your way in, right? And you made your choice too. Yes, we did. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna see how in sync you are with the Bushirigis. We're gonna find out right now. The Boss Awards, where we share the best of the fans and the artists. Let's start by taking a look at the first category and its nominees, please. What is everyone's favorite phrase to hear? He looks much younger in person, much better rather. He's so good at acting. He's my ideal type. He starts to grow on me. He's growing on me. Ayan. Okay, so, all of these statements are true. Okay? Do you agree? So on that note, maybe we should, have a little moment where you, give yourself a bit of praise. Compliment yourself a little bit. What do you like about yourself today?
오늘요? Today?
Today.
오늘 머리가 잘 됐고요.
My hair looks good today. I think
Huwag niyo akong hinabot sa sigawan.
사실 제 노력을 많이 했긴 한데 이렇게 많은 분들한테 저를 보여줄 수 있는 것만으로도 성공입니다.
And I do not have a lot of charms, but by the fact that I was able to present myself to you guys, it's already a success for me.
Your humility and modesty is something very, very lovely about you. Would you agree? Yeah! Okay, alright. But having said that, let's ask you guys, when you see Anbohyeon or think of him, what are the adjectives that come to mind for you? bring out our voting panel. We're going to check how you voted. Is it he looks much better in person? He's so good at acting. He's my ideal type, or he is starting to grow on me. My gosh, this is a tight competition. I cannot tell which one is actually in the lead. Which one do you think is the winning one here, according to the votes? Is it this one? He looks much better in person. 이거 같죠?
이게 제일 많은 것 같긴 한데.
Okay, so I think you guys voted he looks much better in person. Okay. So can you reveal to us what you really actually like? What is your favorite one of the four?
저는 He started growing.
You know, it's true. And I like you already from like the first time I met you, but the more I see you, like I like you more and more. Totoo naman yun.
Naharap ka sa... Mare, itigil mo yan.
Why don't we say that to him? No? Para naman marinig niya from his
You start growing on me!
Pursuro, 매력적이야. Kaya ba?
Ano yun? Pursuro, 매력적이야. 매력적이에요. 매력적이다.
Oh, very good.
Ayun pala yung babasahin, hindi ko nakuha.
Yeah, so
Kaya dead ma ako, sabi ko wala sa ayun pala.
okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yun?
But A for effort. No, I mean, but you know, I'm sure they feel that way about you, and you know, from all the compliments that your fans are throwing your way, talagang kota naman tayo for the compliments. But how does it feel to hear that from your little fans?
Kilig ako!
너무 귀여운데요?
Lakas.
I guess you guys are so cute.
How would you rate yourself? Like, from a perfect score of 100, how would you rate yourself? What's your score?
99!
제가 몇 점이냐고요? 저는
So you're asking what score did I have?
75점 정도?
I think I would give like
Mali.
75.
99! Kasi ako ang pang 100 mo!
아니요, 제가 헤어 메이크업이 정말 잘 될 때는 뭐 80점 이상 올라갈 때도 있고요.
You know, but when time comes where my hair and my makeup is really, really good, you know, it actually passes 80 sometimes.
90점 이긴 뭐하니까 그냥 75점 했습니다.
And, you know, it kind of feels off to give 90, so I just said 75.
We know you're modest, but please just know that in our hearts you're a 100. Okay? Let's talk about your profession a little bit. I mean, obviously, it's something you enjoy doing, but personally, can you share with us 3 reasons why you like being an actor?
일단 너무 재미있고요.
Masaya daw.
그리고 이렇게 많은 분들을 만날 수 있고요.
Ang bilis mo magsalita.
Nakakamit siya ng maraming
저도 하면서
tao.
느끼지만 신기해요.
So first of all, it's really, really fun, and you get to meet a lot of people like this kind of occasion, and you know, I feel it every time, but it really is fascinating.
Okay. Well, we've been watching you. You're fascinating when you bring your thing. All right. Thank you so much for sharing with us your insights on our first question. With that, we're going to move on to our second category and its nominees. Let's take a look at this. What is Ando's best way to relieve stress? Is it driving or listening to a favorite song? Meeting up with close friends? Cleaning his home neatly? Or sleeping comfortably? How to
Bakit walang shot puno?
We're gonna take a look at how your Manila Pushing voted on this one. They think that ito, parang meeting up with close friends ang pinaka-winner of the 4.
Pero feeling ko
Okay. When it comes to like
Sleeping
stress,
comfortably.
are you very sensitive or are you
Kasi
more
laging pagod at puyat.
일에 있어서는 저한테는 좀 엄격한 것 같고요. 예민한 것 같고 제 자신한테는 다른 부분에서는 그렇게 예민하지 않게 하려고 좀 털털한 척하는 편이에요.
You know, when it comes to work, I tend to be a little bit sensitive to myself and I became harsh to myself. But other than, you know, my job, I actually try to be and, you know, exerting my effort to be, you know, less or like lenient.
Oh, good. Yeah, you should. But what about if you have friends around you who are stressed, right? How do you take care of that situation?
친구가 많이 스트레스를 받는다.
샷 puno.
그럼 일단 저는 만날 것 같아요. 그리고 소주에 삼겹살.
Diba?
Shot puno nga!
스트레스를 좀 풀어주고.
Buhay na buhay, soju!
So I'm going to meet that friend and with one soju and samgyeopsal, we're just going to relieve the stress with eating.
You know what? We're also stressed. Just so you know, we're all very stressed.
Okay, nagbibideo
When you're stressed though, like, do you really
Kanina
notice?
yung nan.
Or are you the type na parang you try not to show it?
보여주지 않으려고 노력하는 편이에요.
Yes, I actually try not to show it.
Aww.
But I mean, I have a feeling the radar for your feelings are very high. Okay, let's see. So again, to recap, our opportunities guess that your way of relieving stress is meeting up with close friends. What is your actual answer to this? How do you relieve stress?
Cleaning. Shot puno.
Meeting up in class.
Meeting up with close friends. What do you usually do when you meet with your friends?
Shot puno. Thank you.
자전거 타기, 바이크 타기, 술 한잔 하기.
나giinom. Shot puno.
So cycling and drinking sojus.
Okay, but on a serious note, right? I don't think there's anyone really who does not experience stress, and so for the sake of good mental health, I think it would really be nice if they could hear some
Kapag
encouragement
stress ka,
from you.
dapat wala kang pakialam sa iba. If kasi ngayon,
저는 스트레스를 받으면 표출 안 하고 숨기려고 하는 편인데.
You know, for me, when I get stressed, I do not try my best to not express, but just keep it to myself.
만병의 근원이 스트레스라고 하더라고요. 저처럼 쌓아두지 마시고 해소하시면서 풀 수 있으면 꼭
Ako pag stress ako nakikipag-away ako sa SOCMED.
And you know, the cause of all those kind of diseases is actually stress. So do not keep it
Bardagulan
to
o
yourself, just like
bardagulan.
me, but try to release it if you can.
sabi kasi
Okay?
nila,
Okay, all right.
para daw,
You're empowered for the
para
rest
daw
of the year. I
mabawasan
hope you
yung
take your
sama ng
own
loob
advice as
mo,
well.
i-share mo daw sa
Right?
lahat ng
Relieve the
tao sa
stress
bahay
when
nyo.
you feel it.
Totoo yun.
Okay,
Sabi
with
ng
that,
sites yun.
we're gonna move on to our third category and take a look at the nominees. Let's take a look at this. What is everyone's happiest moment? Is it when you begin the day with a bright morning sun? Is it when you Let's talk a little bit about happiness. You know, this is a topic that we want to make sure that you're happy. We also want to know what makes you happy because we want to make you happy.
I'm very happy. 너무 이렇게 짓궂은 날씨에 진짜 다들 부채질까지 하면서 이렇게 앉아 계신 것만으로도 너무 감사하고 행복해요.
You know, in this kind of bad weather, I can see you guys spending yourselves, and you know, to see myself, presenting myself in front of you, I'm very happy right now.
Good to know. Music to our ears. We want you to be happy. Is there anything that you have at the moment that you feel like you could never exchange it for anything?
제가 가진 것 중에 키? 저의 키 정도?
Something that I have, I think it's gonna be like height, my height.
Oh, yeah. You know, I think you are the tallest, like, the actor that I've met. Your height is
my 6.
just started getting very fond of?
요즘 들어서 사실은 제가 촬영 때문에 그 휴식을 거의 취해본 적이 없는데 요즘은 캠핑도 다시 조금 가게 됐고요. 그다음에 바이크도 다시 좀 타게 되고 취미 생활을 다시 만들려고 조금 노력 중입니다.
You know, due to the busy schedules of shooting, I have actually never spent time to do my hobbies, but these days I'm going to campings a bit and also bicycles. I'm trying to spend my time with my hobbies these days.
Sama kami!
Yeah, we want you to relax and enjoy and, you know, get into your hobbies too. Last question on your happiness. Hypothetically, if you were to bury something in a treasure chest, what would you put inside it? Us?
Wag naman!
진짜 잘하네요.
Is that way like let's die together?
그래도 요즘은 그 핸드폰으로 모든 걸 다 찍고 저장하고 모든 게 기록되어 있으니까 넣을 수 있다면 소주 한 병과 핸드폰을 넣고 싶습니다.
But these days, because everything can be taken, saved in like cell phones these days, so I guess I'm just gonna put one bottle of soju and my cell phone.
Oh, hindi namin alam!
What is your happiness moment, your portion of these things? It's after you take a shower, after working out. I don't know if it's because of the shower or something else, but what is your answer to this question?
Take a shower.
Grabe yung boto!
Halos burahin na siya.
Halatang halata naman!
Thank you so much for letting us know what makes you happy, you know.
Napilito.
I don't know, I mean,
Pinili niya lang kung anong gustong marinig.
how about a little, you know?
Sambal! 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 Woo! Sambal!
Take a shower!
Take your sambal! Ang wild ng Pilipinas.
간판에서 뭐가 없어요?
Segment. It's something called Boss Pre-Epilogue. Alright, what is this segment about? So on this segment, we're going to get to some of the questions that the fans submitted themselves. So we're looking at questions that, you know, you've always wanted to ask, right? And we're actually going to call on the person who submitted the question so that you can ask the question yourself. Our staff will approach you with a microphone, okay? So let's take a look at our first question, which is coming from Ricel Briones.
Ay, parang familiar.
Ricel, there. Hi, Ricel!
Where?
Would you like to say hello to Ricel?
Shy ako.
My question is,
Naririnig talaga yung
what is the
sinasabi.
most exciting or memorable moment you have on Black Hammer Chef Season 1? And will Season 2 be more exciting and challenging?
답변을 하면 될까요?
Can I reply already? Can I answer it?
Yes.
사실 이 가장 기억에 남는 순간은 마지막 회가 가장 기억에 남는 것 같아요. 힘들었던 순간들이 다 삭제되고 마지막에 헤어진다고 생각이 들어서 그때가 제일 기억에 남아요.
the most memorable part of the Backpacker Chef season 1 is that I think it's the final season where all the hard things that I actually in mind was gone, but because of the farewell, I was very emotional.
그리고 시즌 2는 계속 촬영 중인데 아마 엄청나게 힘들고 더 재미있을 겁니다.
And we're filming season 2 right now, and it's gonna be more harder, but it's gonna be really, really fun.
저기 백종원 선생님이 계시죠?
And I can see Baekjun there.
Chef, nag-appearance dito sa atin. Thank you so much, Chef, for your question. Thank you. Ayan, okay, so let's move on to question number 2 in this segment called Boss 3 Epilogue, coming from Deanna. Diamond Right, row 1, seat 4, hi!
Deanna.
Okay, you get to ask your question yourself.
Oy, saan na? Diamond Right, row 1, seat 4.
Are you
Row
there?
1, seat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that Diana?
Dayan.
Over here pala.
Ayun, nalapit na siya sa atin, nakatingin na.
Hello, how are you? Okay, Diamond Right, row 1, seat 4. Tama na?
5.
Okay, we have your question on the screen.
Proxy ako na po.
Hi.
Ini kasi ito manalo. So, meeting eh.
You are the Seoul family.
Yeah, I went also there. And I asked you a question also about your favorite food in Korea.
My goodness, how lucky are you? Yeah. He remembers. I remember.
Is it samgyeopsal?
Let's get to your question.
I want to ask if you go back to the Philippines for vacation during holiday, where do you want to go and what do you want to do? Thank you.
Sa bahay ko.
다른 질문인 거죠?
It's a different question, right?
어디가 좋죠? 추천해주세요.
Could you guys recommend it for me?
Siargao!
여기 마이하우스라고 들리는데
I can feel like my house.
My house!
Divisoria!
My house! Kamo ah. Saan mo gusto pumunta sa bahay ko?
Divisoria na lang.
Sa bahay ko ay pakilala kita kay Mami.
Palawan, Cebu, Your house?
Legit!
You know, I actually didn't get to a lot of places, but if opportunity allows, I would like to visit like Boracay, Palawan, and Cebu.
Ay!
Yes, world famous places. We also have, I think, Ramadan represented over there. Yes. Mayon? Okay. I think that was Jessa actually, no? Yes, Jessa Joy Jerusalem. Thank you so much for your question. Let's move on to our next one. Is Anne here? Anne de la Cruz?
Huh?
Anne de la Cruz, VIP, row 17, seat 9.
Wala. Otiso!
Hi. Hello.
Shy ako.
So my question is, if you could have dinner or go drinking with any character you play, who would it be and why?
Siya yung kinilig niya.
그런 생각을 한 번도 안 해봤는데
I have never thought about that yet.
부흥? 어떻게 여기 부흥이랑 한잔 술이나 밥을 먹고 싶은데 이유는요 너무너무 답답하고
Ano pangalan niya sa Itaewon? Yung demonyo siya doon.
누군가
Demonyo.
앞에서
Di ba nakakagigil siya dun eh?
풀어줘야 되잖아요.
Guwan ba yun?
그래서
Oo.
부흥이랑 저녁을
Tapos yung pa yung kinanta niyan.
I'm going to have a dinner.
Pinaalala niya yung memories ng kabisitan natin.
For the reason that because he's so stubborn and I actually want to advise him and try to lead him to
Grabe yung role doon, nakakagigil eh.
I would actually have dinner with Pooh.
Who's a fan of the character? Who's a fan?
No one!
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. That was Anne de la Cruz. Do we have a fourth question? Is Deanna here?
Kanina pa
We
yun
do have another question. Is Deanna here?
Again?
Diane Wright, row 1, C4.
Dan na po.
Dan!
Dan!
Tapos na.
It's the second question.
No? Okay. Alright.
Dan, it's already
Dan.
Done.
It's a,
Okay. Alright. Well, then that brings us to the end of the segment already, guys. That was Boss Queen Epilogue. How about a big round of applause for everyone who really just thoughtfully answered all of our questions. Did you guys have fun? Yes. It was our in-depth bonding Q&A portion. How do you feel, spending this time together and also finding out what your fans are curious about? What would you like to say to your Manila fans?
이 공연장이 많이 더운데 더운 이유가 마닐라 팬분들 때문인 것 같아요.
I think this concert area is quite hot, and I think it's because of the passion of the Manila fans here.
정말 이렇게 소리 질러주시고 응원해주셔서 너무 감사하고 정말 오늘 저 컨디션이 좋습니다.
Thank you so much for your passionate cheers, and I'm actually in a very good condition today.
열심히 준비한 만큼 재미있게 즐기고 갈 수 있도록 마지막까지 소리 지르고 열정적으로 불태워주세요. 감사합니다.
So for the segments that I prepared, I'll do my best to give a time that you could guys enjoy. So make sure to enjoy to the very last moment and be passionate with your cheers, okay?
Alright, you know what? It's also hot because that is the
Hindi tayo nakikita eh.
Anyway, so that is the end of part 1. I want to remind everyone, the contestants that we drew earlier, you can now make your way to the stage area. We're in the stage area because when we come back, we have a video prepared for you as we move on to part 2, so please enjoy that. Please give a round of applause to Antoine once again, everyone. He's the boss. Alright, we'll see you in part 2. We'll see you in a little bit. Thank you.
See you later.
Nabidyohan ko din yung nawakan ko siya.
Saan ka galing, B? Ba't pawis na pawis ka?
Anong ginawa mo sa likod?
I'm very happy about that. How do you feel about doing part 2 now? We're gonna
Nag-workout daw muna.
How are you feeling about it?
이 열정을 밑에서 금방 완전히 다 느끼고 왔고요. 이제 게임을 한번
Init talaga sa
해보려고
tutulong.
I felt all your passions when I was downstairs, and I'm going to burn this passion through the games as well this time.
Yeah! Okay, we're gonna let it burn in part 2 of the show. Okay, let's move on right to it. We have our contestants ready on standby. So, let us start this first segment, which is called Boss Relay, everyone. Give it up for Boss Relay. This is a game challenge. The winning team are gonna take home An Bohyon photo cards. Okay, that is the gift that we have prepared. And if you are the winning team, all you have to do later on, pagbalik nyo sa seat, just stay there, and then we'll bring the cards to you, okay? So, if you can position yourself here if you'd like. Let's go through the games quickly. Once again, we have a bottle flip. That's your first game. You have to flip the water bottle. and then make it stand. Game 2 is unity. You're gonna have to stand on one foot on the piece of paper and hold that for 5 seconds. And then we have relay balloon. So using a ping pong paddle, you're gonna have
ang layo naman ng table.
pass the balloon back and forth, and yes, make your way around.
Kung side-side ka talaga.
Alright, team number 1. Team number 1, come on down. Are you ready for a buzz? Have you decided on your stations?
Ah, may lalaki pa lang nabunot.
Okay guys, this is a game of speed, so you can station yourselves in the game that you'll be doing. So our second contestant can stay
Malakas
here,
yung feedback sa
and then
tenga
the third one can wait here.
This is A, 1, 2, 3.
Ayan. So you'll be the one
Kasi nga may nagsasalita din siya, may feedback yung sa tenga.
So just a reminder, we are looking for a team with the fastest time. Okay, so you have to make this very quick. Are you ready?
아, 저 지금 어디 A팀인가요? A팀이 어디죠?
Is this 18?
Yes!
Where? 어디가 A팀이지? 아, 개인전이에요? 아.
So
Yeah.
this is individual, right?
Yes, it is. It's per team only. So let's cheer for Team A, guys. All right, we got 0 on the clock. Your time is about to start now. Just one. Just one. Come on, guys.
Oh! Yes!
Mas masaya yung nasa gitna.
Mas panalo yung pangatlo, matagal.
Alright, we have someone who is, I think, a pro athlete, who is needing to catch his breath after our boss play.
Ay, kung ako yun,
First round.
mamali-maliin ko yung
Okay,
second.
then our second team is Team B.
Para tumagal.
Oo, ganun yung ginawa kay Lisong Ginon.
Okay! Okay! Okay!
Ang dami ng budget sa panyo. Sana all.
Mag-aayo pa kami next week. Next week kay Maring Ayo naman.
Ay, grabe.
싸우지 마세요, 싸우지 마세요. This is not fight, okay? Do not fight.
No? Okay. Let's cheer for
Pwede
Team
naman
B
yung
naman,
pinapangatlo pag
guys.
huli niya, pag tapos mo.
Yung panguna lugi.
54 seconds, alright? I think you guys got this. On 3. If you're ready, on 3. Your time starts now! Just
Nasa Johnny.
Ang sagwan ang gulo ni Goyen na kung babae sa akin. Parang inakan ni Goyen. Yung angle sa akin. Ay! Diba hindi nagpatalo yung pangatlo?
Pero mas matagal yung yakap ng luga.
first team. Okay, so at this point, this strategy is even if we don't Okay, again, time to beat is 36 seconds. Okay, 36 seconds.
Hindi ko pa alam kung ano nangyayari.
Let's cheer for TC, guys! Your time starts now.
Kasi nalimutan ko kung sinong artist yung pinaawa. Nalimutan ko kung sino yun. Napuntahan ko yun eh.
Bawal siya ngayon.
Kahit initiate ang artist pinaawa. Ay, magkalapit pa pala silang nahulog.
Alright, so actually that was for this part 2 of the program. How did it feel though? You know, playing.
You should guys give me a time to have some break, you know.
Go, take the time that you need. Okay, because on this next one, alright, we're gonna play a game called Boss Quiz. Boss Quiz, alright. This is basically an OXT. Are you guys familiar with that? Okay, so if you sinasabi ko kanina that everyone is gonna be participating, right? So,
nai-refresh mo nga yung
ay, internet na yun.
A bunch of questions. At the end of every question, you either have to answer O, X. Whether your answer is yes or no. Over yes
sa harapan.
or no. And then if you answer correctly, you can remain standing. If your answer is wrong, then you have to sit down. So through this process of elimination, we're going to narrow it down to 3 winners. Okay? Are you guys all ready to participate in our Boss Quiz? I think so, yes. And everybody should stand up. Let's go.
Wow.
Or X.
Oh.
Okay, everyone has an answer. Is it mostly black? O or X?
X.
Okay, so lahat ng O, sit down please. Alright, we have our staff members here making sure that we play this fair and square because of course the prize is little. Moving on to our next question, question number 2. Later, pag nanalo na, ayan.
Ano ba yan?
Nakasayaw na siya. Let's move on to our next question. Anboyan has cried within the last 3 months. Has he cried in the last 3 months? Is it O or X?
Sa drama.
Well, maybe tears of joy though. Okay, I think we have our answers for O or X. Have you cried in the last 3 months? 3 months?
Did I cry within 3 months?
Yes.
Yes!
Okay.
Umiyak ka sa flex cup, wag ako ha.
1, 2, 3.
X. Sorry.
That's great. I like to trust you. Alright. Pakonti ang ating mga contenders for this game, Boss Quiz. Let's move on to our next question. Ano yung slept for more than 6 hours today? O or X? Nakatulog kaya siya ng more than 6 hours today? O or X? Okay, I see mostly X's.
Oh, yan.
Because I'm sure she was very excited to see all of you.
Kagabi pa siya nag-arrive eh.
Gusto ko yung talagang pinaka-count niya. Anong oras kayo? Have you slept more than 6 hours today? O or X?
X.
Okay, that's most of our Pushies who are here. They guessed that you did not. Okay, so we're really thinning it out. Let's see who will be the last three standing. We're moving on to our next question. Our next question is, Anmoyon's favorite color is blue. O or X? Is his favorite color blue? O or X? It should be a simple one, right? Is it blue or X? Your favorite color?
X. X.
It's X! What's your favorite color?
I don't know.
You can...
It's definitely not blue.
It's not yes, of course. We said X to that question. All right. Looking forward to that answer next time. All right, next question. Anmoyon can go to a restaurant and eat alone. Is it O or X? Can he eat alone at a restaurant?
X yan.
O or X? I want to know. Do you like to go eat at a restaurant? Or can you? O or X?
So easy.
Oh! He can, yes, he can go to a restaurant and eat by himself. Okay, so many people did guess that you can't do that. We'd love to keep you company, of course, next time. Okay, I can see, we have a lot.
Silaw na silaw talaga siya sa ilaw. Hindi ko sure kung saan nag-stay si Byeon Woo-seok.
We have about
Either sa
10,
Novotel
we have about 10 people standing. Alright, here we go.
sa
Next question. Anmoyon's favorite season is summer. O or X?
Dalawa lang na naman eh.
Is it summer?
Doon sa Sofitel or dito or sa
Parang
ay sa Manila Bay.
If you were listening, you probably have a good feel of this answer. Is your favorite season summer?
No!
지금은
No!
It's
This
O!
one is O.
Right now, okay, favorite season of the moment is O. Okay. Why right now?
지금 마닐라니까요.
Because this is Manila right now.
Summer capital of the world. The universe, brother. The universe, brother. Naging Miss Universe
on the phone with his parents this week. O or X? Has he spoken to his parents this week?
Siyempre, O.
Okay, even our Muslims who are no longer in the game are thinking that you did. Alright, but the do see X's. Okay, did you get to talk to your parents? O or X?
Uma! O, diba?
Oh! Alright. Okay, yung mga naka-X ha, puno po tayo. Alright. You talk to them often?
자주는 하진 않지만 저한테 뭔가 배달을 시켜달라고 해서 통화를 했었어요.
Not really often, but they asked me to deliver, so they actually called me, so I had to respond.
Love the honesty. Okay, alright. Next question. We have about 7 people left, is what I hear. Next question. Anmoyon has a pet plant at home. O or X? Does he have a pet plant?
O.
O or X? To the 7 people who are still standing. Okay. Boss, do you have a pet plant?
I don't have.
You don't have. Okay, we do not have a pet plant, guys. Anyone who said that he does, you can sit down now.
Pero si Sampo, parang sanay na sanay sa ilaw eh. Hindi na sisilaw, no?
Si anong sakit na mata niya?
Ay, hindi kasi mas matangkad siya. Oo, mas kita niya yung spotlight.
Ayun, ano pala, isa na lang.
We narrowed it down to 2. We have 2. Tama?
Oh.
2. Okay, then we have our winners then. Because we were really trying to narrow it down to 3, but we have 2 people who are standing. Congratulations to you guys. Okay, our winners.
Alas 8.
6:30 naman.
Ano ka ba? 6:45 nag-start?
6:45 siya lumabas. 6:30 lumabas si Sam.
Okay, great. Congratulations. Ayan, right! We did it! We did the OX quiz successfully and we narrowed it down to 2 winners. That is amazing. Congratulations. Okay, we played 2 rounds of, these games with your push ladies, but now it's time for...
Hindi tayo nakikita.
Hindi tayo maliwanag.
Kahit nakatingin siya, kala mo kita ka.
Yes, would you like to do that? We're going to do something called...
Fan meeting talaga itong perfect
Okay,
so malapit lang kasi.
What we're gonna do, I'm sure
Pero kapag nasa Araneta ka nakaganyan ko row 1, row 2,
Oo.
prepared a wish box event.
Mas maiging mag-side
for
goal.
all of you guys. Alright, so we have 5 wish boxes on the stage, and each box, of course, has various items inside, but one of them is no luck.
Mas okay dito mag-ano, yung sa, mag-VIP ka dito sa Frontier. Pag Araneta ka naka-VIP, hindi mo makikita yung tao. Maiging mag-side goal.
Yes, I actually picked a lot of figures, but I think tonight is not the night.
Yes! Okay, I love that confidence. So each time you choose an event from the wish box, of course, we're gonna find
Wala akong nakitang fake na sa braso.
Get to it.
Bello fight. Ay.
Belo ba talaga?
Yes, I'm ready.
We're gonna do 3. We'll do 3. Let's choose the first one. Which one is your choice?
May gano'n naman talaga sila. Inom pa yan ng vitamins.
3.
Okay, let's read it. Our first event. Oh, nice. We're gonna do Bosses Signed Poster. We're doing Bosses Signed Poster. We're gonna have 3 winners, right? 3 winners. We are gonna draw once again. If you are drawn, you can come on stage, okay? Because this poster will be signed on stage. On stage. By the boss himself.
Boss pala yun, yung sabi mo.
Nice. Okay. Let's pick 3 winners
Malay mo mabunot ng
for this one.
Ayoko umasa.
Sige, kahit yun mo sa
By the way, this event in this segment, ginawa na siya in the Philippines. This is a Philippine exclusive. Okay, so how awesome is that? Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. You're very quick to say that.
Hindi mo na sold out.
Okay, Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. Maybe we can go to the next one.
Naalala ko yung
Yes, next one. Okay. Orchestra left, row 20, seat 4. 44. Sorry, 44. Orchestra left, row 20, seat 44.
Kahit ikaw man lang mabunot. Kapicture na lang ako katabi mo yung signpost. Oh my God. Ligaya na.
Pero yun, hindi ko ina-expect na nalo ako.
Where are you?
Kay Rowan na.
Balcony center, row 1, seat 23. Balcony center, row 1, seat 23.
Buti hindi natin pinatos yung balcony.
Is there someone yet? Okay,
Sulit ang 1K.
Yes, we have a winner. All right, come on down. That's 1. We have 2 more winners who will be joining us on the stage. Diamond Center, Center, row 7, seat 31. Diamond Center, row 7, seat 31.
Seat 7.
Parang meron. The vibe is meron. Okay. I think we do. Yes. All right. One more. One more for the sign poster.
Hi, ako.
Congratulations. Come down. Lodge left. Row 4, seat 31. Lodge left. Row 4, seat 31. No. No.
Next, VIP! VIP! VIP!
Okay, alright. Our third poster goes to Diamond left, row 10, seat 44.
Oy! Right ako.
Diamond left, row 10, seat 44. Congratulations, guys. Alright, our 3 winners for the signed poster of Flex X Cup. Talagang in-person signing ito. And of course, you get to get up close and personal with the boss himself.
Never talaga ako nabunot sa ganyan.
Ako rin, never. Ayun kay Chan. Ay, napatunayan na namang malasak sa hapon. Kuya talaga.
Ang kinain lang ng powers ko talaga yung napanood ni Kim Soo-hyun yung ano ko, video greet. Yun lang. Ay! Face to face pang iaabot. Mas winner pa sa winner ng naunang raffle. Ayok mag...
Lee Jung-ki! Waikiki!
Okay, we're gonna give you your alone time. Ayan. Your own photo time.
Look here!
Take lots of pictures so you can cherish it forever.
We are also part of the show! Wala kami sa screen! Charot.
Ayusin mo kuya! Wala kami dyan! Dito! We can see!
Napapa-English ako, te. I'm still not visible!
What's selling?
Guys, visible ba ako? Nakinig naman sila.
Hindi kami makita!
Tumayo siya, hindi ako makita.
Alright, here we go. On 3, we're gonna take this picture. 3, 2, 1, smile!
Kahit hindi ako kita, umaasa pa rin ako.
Okay, thank you.
This is the coldest audience.
I think it's very hard to give you some gift or the presents for you guys, but I think I'm receiving a lot more from you.
But I didn't receive any.
Sabi mo, Pogi, tingin dito.
Ayoko. Pagi.
150.
또 한 번 더 객석을 꽉 채워주고
Ngiti.
시원한 공간에서 팬미팅을 하고 싶네요.
Next time, I'll make sure that I come back here to the Philippines for a vacation, and I would like to have a fan meeting again in a more cooler and a wider place full of all of my fans.
정말
Summer kasi, May.
더운 날씨에 이렇게 체질까지 들고 오셔서 저를 채워주시는 여러분들께 진심으로 감사드립니다.
December, negative degrees dito.
I would like to say thank you so much for this kind of bad weather. It's raining, it's really hot in here. You guys just bring your fans just to for my concert. I really appreciate you guys.
We love you, Pogi. They love you. And please know that, no matter what happens, we're cheering from afar. Again, we are so happy that you came over to see us. We hear that you have a final performance and you actually prepared a song for us. Can you tell us a little bit about the song?
Taray.
저는 이미 지금 힐링이
Alam namang kanta yan.
됐는데 여러분들께 조금 더 좋은 노래를 힐링이 필요해라는 노래로
Tagalog?
선물을 해드리도록 하겠습니다.
Ba't hindi ka kumanta ng
No,
Tagalog?
I actually healed myself a lot from you guys, but to actually give a healing to you as well, I prepared the song We Need a Healing.
I think we can all heal together. Yes, we'd love to do that. We're gonna give you some time to freshen up a little bit for your final stage. Yes, let's
Sana all fresh!
pause, everyone. He's going to be right back.
Ginusto mo yan! Tago-tago pa lalabas. Ayun na.
Sa kaliwa.
Wala lang ang nakikita ko tayo. Tilon lang. Tilon. Adunais! Adunais! Ayan na. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Marina.
Oh, ayan! Magpupulot ulit tayo ng konfetti. Sino gusto?
정말
We love you! Konfetti, ang dami.
특수 효과까지 해주시고 너무 감사합니다.
Thank you so much for these special effects as well.
Oh my God!
정말 좋은 추억 만들고 가는 것 같고요. 저의 첫 번째 마닐라가 팬미팅으로 여러분들을 만날 수 있다는 것 자체가 영광이었습니다.
I think I'm actually cherishing a good memories with you guys, and I really feel honored that my first visit here in the Philippines is due to the fan meeting.
이 기분 그리고 이 감사한 것들 절대 잊지 않고 더 열심히 활동해서 마닐라의 여행뿐만이 아니라 여러분들을 만나러 꼭 오도록 하겠습니다.
I'll keep this feeling and keep this honor that I have with you, and I'll make sure to come back to the Philippines with vacations and also to meet you guys.
정말 한 번 더 너무너무 감사드리고 또 만날 날을 기약하면서 저는 하이바이를 위해서 나가서 기다리고 있겠습니다.
Thank you so much again, and for this time I'm going to leave for a while to prepare the high bye session for you guys.
See you again. I will be back, Philippines. Marquita! Thank you!